Good evening, parents and students. My name is Allison Bauman. I just wanted to tell you about the open house for forensic science and for biomedical innovations. So I graduated with a BA from Trinity University in San Antonio in anthropology. After that, I decided to go get a master's in forensic anthropology and museum studies from a university in California. And after that, I got out and worked at a museum in San Antonio called the Whitty for a year, and then went and got a master's of secondary education from Texas State and started working for McNeil. This is currently my 10th year at McNeil. I have been part of the Health Science Academy and Forensic Science program since its inception here, and I am super excited to be here teaching forensic science and biomedical innovations this year. In the past, I have also taught biology, chemistry, and principles of biomedical science. I love science, especially forensics. I enjoy spending time with my family, watching movies, playing with my dog, reading, and participating in sports. So here is my contact information. I have a Google Voice number for when we are in virtual, and I have a classroom number which you will see here. My email is just allison_bauman@roundrockisd.org, and my last name is spelled Bouwman. So when we are doing classroom virtually, class will mainly be on Google Meets, but with advanced warning, it may take place on Schoology, so to better facilitate group work. Tutorials are by appointment during virtual settings because I know that students have a variety of schedules going on right now, but once we get back on campus, they will have more set hours, once in the morning and once in the afternoon. Important class documents for each class can be found on Schoology, including the syllabus as well as other information like where that is sorted by each unit that we do per class. When missing class, students should communicate with me prior to their absence when at all possible. If I know about it, I can help them prepare. I am a very prepared teacher, so you will see that so far my entire first semester is already up in the calendar and in the classroom. So if they know about absences ahead of time, they can prepare by planning ahead and asking me. If a student is absent, please check Schoology by both the calendar and the unit, which are then organized by unit and then by week to find missing information. For any issues in Schoology or HACC, please contact McNeil High School Tech Help. Thank you so much.